secure this thing down, and let's get up there. What happened last night?
Crazy storm for hours.
And the snow cap broke down, and
yeah, I know, that guy had to walk down in the storm.
How much snow do you think fell?
At least 30 inches.
Okay, so we might not get places today.
Well, no, you're gonna be up there. It's gonna be like that.
Oh man, oh, I can't wait. The only thing that sucks about Brohm is this goddamn road, man. Like, I've already had to go and reset the sled once. I've got 3 points of tie down on it, and it just keeps sliding back. It's looking like we're gonna be above the clouds today, maybe, or just right in them, but I really hope that that sun works its way over here. Hopefully it doesn't snow today and make this worse, because then we're really in for some fun. I just love it when it's like this. Finally, it's not raining, it's just dry. The sled's dry, the gear's dry. We're starting the ride off dry. So today's gonna be a good day. So let's get up there. Let's get it. Yeah, sucks it's not gonna clear out. Looks like over there it's the best, so.
Up and around in here.
I'm nervous.
Okay, let's go on.
I'm nervous to just get my feet in and get stuck. I'm nervous to just get my feet in and get stuck. What the fuck? God damn it! Sick. So much snow. Like, the tracks suggest a bow tie that was perfect, but what you saw was just you fucking waist deep turning the sled around. Ah, oh, you're almost through that. Holy shit! So you see here, you just gotta keep stomping the snow to get out. As you can tell, we have an amateur here stuck. I'm gonna be stuck after this. Yeah, it's just for that, I'm gonna be stuck now. Now he's fucking out, ready to roost it. Holy fuck, man. No, we're stuck. I'm gonna be stuck after this. Yeah, it's just for that, I'm gonna be stuck. What the fuck? That was so fucking stupid. We're getting places. We knew we were getting into this today.